Good morning everyone. So here in this video today we will discuss about your unit test 2 science question paper and the question which I have given you in that question paper. So these are the questions. First is multiple choice questions. Which of the following animals has no limbs? Lizard, fox or snake? So out of these three, which animal does not have any limbs? Lizard have limbs. They have hind limbs and forelimbs both. Fox also have limbs, hind limbs and forelimbs both. And the snake do not have hind limbs and even doesn't have forelimbs. So the answer is snake. Now the next is, which of the following roll itself into a ball when it senses danger? Grasshopper, pangolin or porcupine? So out of these three, which roll itself into a ball when it senses danger? So pangolin roll itself into a ball when it senses danger. So the answer is pangolin. Now the next is, which of the following is a parasite? So what are parasite? Parasite are those which feed on the on other animals or which take their food from other animals. They are known as parasites. So first is tapeworm, snake and earthworm. So out of these the answer is tapeworm, because tapeworm feed on the other animals, and the other animal on which it feeds, that is known as host, and the tapeworm is known as a parasite. So the answer is tapeworm. Now the next is, which of the following is a mammal? So mammal are those which give birth directly to their babies, and they do not lay eggs. They directly give birth to their babies. So first is frog. So frog lay hundreds of eggs at a time, so it is not a mammal. Next is butterfly. Butterfly also lay eggs. And the third one is monkey. So monkey is a mammal because monkey gave birth directly to their babies. So the answer is monkey. Next is, process of keeping something warm is called incubation, metamorphosis or estivation. So process of providing warmth to something, that is known as incubation. So the answer is incubation. Next is, fill in the blanks. Caterpillar is the larva of dash. So caterpillar is the larva of butterfly. Now the next is, the young of a frog is dash. The young one of a frog. So the young one of a frog is froglet, or tadpole. Now the next is babies of dash look like their parents when they hatch. So the babies of birds look like their parents when they hatch. Next is period of long winter sleep is called. Some animals go for a period of long winter sleep in winters. So that is known as hibernation. And the animals which go for hibernation are snake, rat, etc. Now the next is wings of dash are made of flap of skin. So wings of which animal are made of flap of skin? Wings of bat are made of flap of skin. Dash is the tallest animal living on the earth. So the tallest animal living on the earth is giraffe. It is the tallest animal living on earth, having a long neck. Now the next are true or false. Frogs lay 100 of eggs at a time in water. Is it true? Yes, frog lays hundreds of eggs at a time in water. So this is true. Next is all birds give birth directly to their babies. Is it true? Birds are not mammals. They don't give birth directly to their babies, and the bird lays eggs which hatch and babies come out from these eggs. So birds doesn't give birth directly to their babies, so this is false. Next is the chameleon cannot change the color of its skin. The chameleon is girgit in Hindi, and it can change its color according to the conditions and easily hide themselves from when it senses danger. It easily changes its color. So the sentence is the chameleon cannot change the color of its skin. This is completely false. Next is insects breathe with the help of spiracles. So what are spiracles? Spiracles are the small holes present on the body of insects, and these spiracles help insects in breathing. So insects breathe with the help of spiracles. Is it true or false? Yes, it is true, because insects do not have lungs, they do not have gills, they even do not have fins to breathe, but they have spiracles which help them in breathing. So this is true. Now next is sparrow has keen eyesight to spot their prey from the sky. Is that true? Sparrow has keen eyesight? No, sparrow doesn't have keen eyesight to spot their prey from the sky. So this is false, because eagle have the keen eyesight to spot their prey from the sky, but the sparrow doesn't have the keen eyesight to spot their prey from the sky. So these are the exercises which I have given you in your unit test 2. I hope you have understood these exercises very well. Thank you and see you in the next video.